Does physics feel confusing to you, even though you study and solve problems, and yet still something doesn't click? You're not alone. Most students struggle not because the subject is impossible, but because it's usually taught in a way where you can't connect the dots. Hello, I am Antonis. I have a physics degree, and I remember just how overwhelming and abstract physics could be at times, even though I really tried hard to understand it. There were moments where some concepts just didn't make sense to me, no matter how much I looked at the formulas. I've been there. What changed things for me was learning how to think about physics, starting with intuition. This is exactly what I help my students with. We use mental models, analogies, and visuals to build a firm understanding of any topic. Then, when it is time to use math, everything falls into place. Whether your curriculum is moving too fast or you know the formulas but struggle with problems, we will identify exactly what is holding you back and we will solve it step by step together. If that sounds like what you're looking for, book a trial lesson. We'll make a clear plan and we will start building real understanding from the very first session.